Have you ever wondered why some men can easily attract any woman while others struggle no matter what they do? Is it just about looks, money, or luck? The truth is, most men are doing it all wrong. And if you don't know these key secrets, you could be pushing women away without even realizing it. But don't worry, you're about to learn exactly what works. These are not tricks or games, but real, proven methods that actually work. Most men will click away too soon and miss the most important parts. They'll keep making the same mistakes over and over again, wondering why nothing is changing. But you're smarter than that. Stay till the end and I promise, you'll see dating in a whole new way. Most guys think that the way to win a woman's heart is by chasing her non-stop, always texting first, always being available, and doing everything to please her. But here's the harsh truth. This actually pushes women away. When you try too hard, you come across as desperate, and desperation is not attractive. Women don't fall in love with a man who begs for attention. They fall for a man who values himself. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how the guys who seem too nice or too available often get ignored or friend-zoned, but the ones who have a life, a purpose, and don't chase seem to attract women effortlessly? That's because women love men who are confident and in control of their own lives. They don't want someone who revolves around them. They want someone who adds value to their world. If there's one thing that makes a man instantly more attractive, it's confidence. You don't need to be the best-looking guy in the room. You don't need to be rich. But if you walk, talk, and act with confidence, women will naturally be drawn to you. Now, confidence doesn't mean arrogance. It doesn't mean acting like you're better than everyone else. Real confidence is about believing in yourself, knowing your worth, and not being afraid to show it. So, how do you build confidence? Start with the basics: your posture, eye contact, and voice. Stand up straight, make eye contact when you talk, and speak in a calm, steady voice. Avoid nervous habits like looking down or fidgeting. Women notice these small things and they send a strong message about how you see yourself. Another key to confidence is self-improvement. Work on yourself, hit the gym, learn new skills and develop your own interests. A man who is constantly improving himself is naturally attractive because he doesn't need validation from others. He already knows his own value. The best part? Confidence isn't just about attracting women. It makes every part of your life better. So, if you want to be truly irresistible, start building confidence today. Next, be mysterious. Think about this. When a movie gives away the entire story in the first 5 minutes, do you still feel excited to watch the rest? Probably not. The same applies to attraction. If you reveal everything about yourself too soon, the excitement disappears. Women are naturally drawn to mystery. They love the thrill of discovering more about you over time. So, how do you create mystery? Don't be an open book. You don't have to tell her everything about your past, your feelings, or your daily routine right away. Keep some parts of your life private. Let her be curious. Let her wonder about you. If she feels like there's more to discover, she'll keep coming back. Another trick? Be unpredictable. Don't always text at the same time. Don't always say yes to every plan. Keep her on her toes. If she never knows what's coming next, she'll be excited to be around you. But remember, mystery doesn't mean being distant or playing mind games. It simply means not giving away everything too easily. A little curiosity makes things more exciting, and excitement leads to attraction. Want to know a secret? Women love to laugh, and the men who make them laugh are the ones they remember. It's not about telling perfect jokes or being a comedian. It's about keeping things light, fun, and playful. Why is humor so powerful? Because it creates a connection. When a woman laughs with you, she feels comfortable and happy in your presence. She lets her guard down. She starts associating you with positive emotions, and that's what builds attraction. So how do you use humor? Don't force it. You don't need to memorize jokes or try too hard to be funny. Instead, be playful. Tease her in a light-hearted way. Be confident enough to laugh at yourself. Keep things relaxed. If you're having fun, she will too. Also, pay attention to what makes her laugh. Every woman is different. Some like sarcasm. Some like silly jokes. Some enjoy playful teasing. The more you understand her sense of humor, the easier it will be to make her smile. Attraction isn't just about looks or status. It's about how a woman feels when she's with you. If she enjoys every moment, she'll want to be around you more. If you really want to stand out and make a woman see you as someone special, you need to have ambition and purpose. Women are naturally attracted to men who are driven, focused, and working towards something bigger. Why? Because ambition shows strength, confidence, and leadership. It signals that you're not just drifting through life. You have a direction, a mission, and goals. And that's attractive. Now, this doesn't mean you need to be a millionaire or have a perfect career, but you must have a vision for your life. What are you working on? What are your passions? Where do you want to be in 5 years? A man who wakes up every day with a purpose is far more interesting than one who just sits around doing nothing. Here's a simple truth. If you don't respect your own time and future, why should she? Women admire men who are focused on improving themselves. They don't want someone who has no direction or drive. So if you don't already have a passion or goal, start today. It could be a career, fitness, a creative project, or learning a new skill. Anything that makes you better. The best part? When you focus on your own growth, women naturally become more interested in you. You won't have to chase them. They'll notice your ambition and want to be part of your world. But there's one important balance to keep in mind. While ambition makes you attractive, you shouldn't act like you're above everyone else. Women don't value things that come too easily. If you give a woman all your attention, time, and effort right away, she won't appreciate it as much. But if she feels like she has to earn your attention, she'll value it more. This is why being challenged is important. You shouldn't be too easy to get. You should have standards and make her feel like she needs to put in effort too. If she sees that you have a life, goals, and other things going on, she'll naturally want to be part of it. Now, some men take this the wrong way and start playing games, ignoring messages, or acting rude. That's not what being a challenge means. You don't have to be cold or distant. Instead, you need to respect yourself and your time. If you're always available, cancel plans for her, or act like she's the center of your world, she will lose interest fast. Give her attention, but don't overdo it. Don't always be the first to text. Don't always say yes to every request. Let her wonder about you. Let her feel like she needs to win you over too. When a woman sees that you're not desperately chasing her, she'll respect you more, and attraction will naturally grow. Let's be honest, looks do matter, but not in the way most men think. You don't need to be a model or have a six-pack, but you do need to take care of yourself. Women notice the small details, how you dress, how you smell, and how well you groom yourself. If you ignore these things, you might lose attraction before you even get a chance to show your personality. So what should you focus on? First, hygiene. Always smell fresh, take care of your skin, and keep your hair well groomed. A great cologne can make a huge difference. Women love a man who smells good. Next, dress well. You don't need expensive clothes, but your outfit should be clean, well-fitted, and stylish. Wearing the right clothes shows confidence and makes a strong first impression. And finally, stay in shape. You don't need to be a bodybuilder, but taking care of your body shows that you respect yourself. Even small changes like exercising a few times a week can make a big difference. When you combine good grooming with confidence, ambition, humor, and emotional connection, you become the complete package. And that's what truly makes a woman fall in love. Most men will hear this advice, nod their heads, and then go back to making the same mistakes. They'll keep chasing, over-explaining, and trying too hard, without realizing that attraction doesn't work that way. But the ones who truly understand this, they're the ones who stand out. At the end of the day, it's not about tricks or playing games. It's about becoming a man who naturally draws people in. A man who is confident, interesting, and has a purpose. A man who doesn't just chase love, but lets it come to him. Now the question is, which type of man will you choose to be? If this video made you think differently, then it's time to start applying these steps. And remember, change doesn't happen overnight, but every small step brings you closer to the life you want. Thank you for watching.